Friend, this figure only shows the helping of some numericals. So not we describe more deep we briefly described it because of you helping some numericals. So this is figure is related to without evaporating cooling. This figure is related to without evaporating cooling. So here ambient air goes inside this component and then ramming some temperature is increases as compared to ambient temperature, and then this ramming air goes in main compressor. You see here main compressor. After much more compression, that means temperature and pressure much more increases, and then it is some part of compressed air goes to the combustion chamber and some part of it goes to the heat exchanger, and the ramming air is also goes in this heat exchanger. That then ram air having low temperature and compressed air having more temperature. Then here in heat exchanger some part of heat is exhausted, and then it is go inside the cooling turbine. After in expansion, temperature and pressure is goes below, and then it is goes to the cooling, goes to the cabin, sorry, goes to the cabin. And this cooling air also used in freezing chambers, or if you want to food preservation, then this is used. So here cooling, this expansion air, that means pressure and temperature low air is used to the cabin. And some these turbine having some work, and this work is used to driven the exhaust fan. After that it goes to the atmosphere. So here this is a simple figure, entropy and temperature. This figure drawn y-axis temperature, so, and x-axis having entropy. This is here you see pa that means ambient pressure, pc that means cabin pressure. Here you see here cabin pressure, and you see here ambient pressure. And after here pa, here pr ramming air, pr ramming air, pc cabin pressure, and pa ambient pressure. This line is here 1 to 2 rammed air, 2 to 3 isentropic compression in compressor, and 3 to 4 3 to 4 show what heat rejection, that means q rejection, heat rejection. And then 4 to 5 turbine work, and then this is a heat addition, 5 to 6 heat addition. So this is a simple figure. Compression and expansion is related to isentropic process. Yani 1 3 and 4 5 is isentropic process, and here 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 is a here 3 to 4 is pressure, p3 equals to p4 you saw. And here isobaric, that is the isobaric heat addition, heat rejection, and isobaric heat addition. So P5 equals to P6 because of isobaric, because of P3 equals to P4 because of isobaric process. Friends, C is taken as what? Aircraft velocity, or velocity of air related to the aircraft. Velocity of air related to the aircraft, or you simply say aircraft velocity. So then kinetic energy, what kinetic energy equals to half m v square, that's v equals to velocity. And here this formula also used in aircraft. So half, if you taken as 1 kg amount, m is neglected, 1 kg, so c v is denoted as c square. This is a aircraft related velocity. And kilo joule per kg, joule per kg, if you want to kilojoule, then c square, then divided by 1000, it will become kilojoule per kg. Here joule per kg, here kilojoule per kg, 1000 divided. So for energy equation, H2 enthalpy minus H1 equals to c square divided by 2000. If you take an at Cp T2 minus Cp T1 mcp, m is taken as 1 kg, equals to c square divided by 200, sorry 2000. We shortly describe, not detail it describes. So friends, so you take quickly. T2 is taken as T2 equals to what? T1 plus c square divided by 2000 cp, or you can take T2 divided by T1 equals to 1 plus c square divided by 2000 cp multiplied T1. So this is the second equations, and you see here this is the first equation. So you taken as, if you know r equals to cp minus cv, so here r equals to what? Cp in simple bracket 1 minus 1 divided by gamma, because what, you know gamma equals to cp divided by cv. So here you taken as, and this is put in this equation. After that, T2 divided by T1 equals to what? 1 plus c square gamma minus 1 divided by 2000 gamma r T1 equals to 1 plus c square in simple bracket gamma square minus 1 divided by 2a square, and a is taken as local sonic velocity or acoustic velocity, and then it is denoted as in square root gamma r T1, gamma r T1. So next formula is taken as T2 divided by T1 equals to 1 plus gamma minus 1 divided by 2 m square. What is m? M is a Mach number. So if stagnation pressure is taken as after isentropic compression, then P2 divided by P1 equals to what? T2 divided by T1 in simple bracket gamma to the power gamma minus 1. This is another equation. We show, friends, we show only main formula MA. What is MA? Mass of air blend from the air compressor for refrigeration purpose. So MA equals to what? 14,000 multiply Q divided by CP T6 minus T5 taken as kg per hour. This is a cabin temperature, and P equals to what? Power. This is a power required to the refrigeration system. MA multiply CP T3 minus T2. This is a compressor temperature, 3600 kilowatt. Power is this equation. After COP, what is COP? COP for refrigeration equals to 14,000 Q divided by MACP T3 minus T2. It is also taken as 114,000 Q divided by P power. Here you formula multiply 3600. This is your main formula. So I believe you shortly it is noted as. So thank you. This is a not more deeply derivation, it is short because of you helpful in the solving numerical. So main purpose is solving numerical. Other another video we show what is solve this numerical. So thank you.